Good morning. It's Sunday morning, October 31st. Halloween morning. I want to talk today about intuition. What is intuition? Inner intuition. Intuition is what your self tells you. It's not what you tell yourself. It's inner following, like a knowledge from God that comes to your mind on what you should do in a particular situation. I'll give you a situation. Let's say what you're going to do to work today. If you're self-employed, what are you going to do? What job are you going to go on? You might have a weather delay or a weather postponement. If you're doing outside work, what are you going to do? See, so you kind of follow intuition. You say, well, I have this job I could do on the inside. Maybe you have an inside job, something you could do inside of a building or inside of a house. See, so you kind of follow that. You say, well, I'll go this way. Instead of the weather's iffy, instead of trying to do this other job, so you may have to call a customer and tell a customer it's going to rain today. You can't wash windows or whatever the case be. You can't do any painting on the outside. You're going to do something else. So something tells you, and it turns out right. Let's say that day turns out right, and it does rain. It's not going to always be the case, but it does turn out right. So it's an intuition. It's an inner voice on which way you should go. Also on life, which way you should go on a situation. If you should get married or not married. Not married, you should marry a lady or not marry a lady. It has to be an intuition. See, it can't be an ego choice. Like you make a choice, you're going to choose. Like God, you're going to choose. You're going to choose to get married. You're going to choose to court this lady. See, you're choosing. See, you're putting your own mind into your mind, your ego, and will, knowledge. Intuition has to overshadow knowledge. It has to be, yes, this is a girl or a lady I could work with. I could make a lifetime commitment with. So I think I'm going to court this one lady and maybe propose to her. So it's an intuition. See, it can't be a choice. See, a choice that you're choosing. You're like God. You're going to choose yes or no. So you're using your mind, your will, ego, selfishness. See, it has to be intuition. Yes, this is the right way to go. You have to see it in the quietness and stillness of a moment. You have to be quiet and still. Your mind can't be going round and around and around and around in an endless loop of thought and choices. It has to be an intuitive movement, not a choice, an intuitive movement on which way you should go each moment in your life. That's the way I try to live my life. I'm not perfect in doing that, but that's what I try to do. So intuition, look further into that. FHU.com, Foundation of Human Understanding, has a lot on intuition, so you may want to check into that website. Until another time, have a good Halloween and All Saints Day. Thank you. Bye.